Alright, so we're going to weld this piece back together. And I'm not sure if I'm going to bevel it or what I'm going to do. I'll probably just use the wire feed. So, yeah. Alright, well, we're going to clean this thing up a little bit. So I can figure out what the hell I just did with it. I just want to get a little bit of the chrome off of it. I'm not really trying to bevel it. It'd be a good idea too, though, if I want to hide the weld. I'm not really going to try and hide the weld. I want it functional. I don't care what it looks like, basically. So. We'll just leave this one like it is. So that's what it looks like. And we're just gonna try and get really good penetration with the wire feed, but don't put a lot of metal in there. We'll be back. Alright, so we're going to be using the Lincoln wire feed. And we're just gonna, let's see if I can scoot this over, maybe you can actually see what I'm doing. Hopefully it turns out good. Gas on. I'm just starting to kind of make a tack. Pretty sore from the crash. So this hurts right now. Doesn't like the chrome. That's okay. We're actually getting pretty good welds on it. So now, flip it over. Okay. Let me see if we can. It's kind of hard to see it. I bring it out here. I'm gonna clean this with a wire brush. All right, so I cleaned it up with a wire brush, and I just wanted to kind of get into there, make sure it wasn't too bad. I mean, I totally could go and grind it down and then run another nice bead around it maybe, but most likely if this thing was to get hit like that again, it's going to do the same exact thing. It's going to snap off. So now that it's welded, I can actually go on the inside, remove it, and weld it some more. But I mean, like, it served its purpose. So anyway, there you go. Got one thing fixed.